This is the suspect artifact. Well, it's not a suspect artifact, it's a suspect agate and artifact of unknown composition that I found today, January 4th of 2020. I actually had found it yesterday, January 3rd. I was on my run and didn't want to carry a lot home in my pockets because I have my running gear on and I don't want a lot bouncing around in there, so I decided at the time it wasn't worth taking, thinking it was some kind of a gross seaweed thing or something. Once I got the video home and looked at it better, I kind of realized it might have been more to it than that. I'm not sure if it's agate, or a friend of mine, Brian, thinks it's slag from a fire, and I could see the point of that. I guess you could say it might look like a bottom or a part of a glass bottle or whatever, but what could be this stuff around it? When I first saw it, I think it was laying upside down and looked like a shell or something, and then I think I might have caught a little hint of green, and I think I was moving it thinking I'd find sea glass and realized it's contained in this. So I don't know if this is a vug or what we have going on here. Trying to get a better camera angle on it. Anyway, it's definitely interesting. Maybe that is some bubbling in there, although it could be just cracks in the surface or chips in the surface. There's a bit of washing on it, as if it were sea glass in some areas. So the rest of it, if it is slag, melted around some section of glass. I wonder what it could have been. So it's left some kind of a resin or something now. It's definitely interesting lines on it, and that texture at the white edges, I'm not sure what to make of it. So anyway, I'm just sharing this more in-depth video here, and hopefully we can decide what it might be. So this was found in the general vicinity of Glace Bay in Cape Breton, Nova Scotia. As we can see, it's about 1.5 inches long, about 1 inch wide, maybe 1/2 inch thick. So I was very lucky to find it, just because I had it in my hands yesterday and left it on the shore. What are the odds of finding a rock this size on a 1/2 kilometer long stretch of beach after two or three tides have passed? Good question. Okay, well, that's the video, and let's let some speculation begin.